am Manisha and you are watching Food Tech Speaks. In my today's video, I am going to talk about some health benefits of Moringa tree. Moringa tree is also known as miracle tree. Each part of the tree have their own benefits to improve our health. So keep watching.
If you are spending time on social media, you may have noticed a new superfood popping up everywhere: Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. Today I am going to introduce Moringa oleifera, known as a miracle tree and tree of life. This is native of India and Nepal, and now it's also grown in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Moringa has been used as medicine in Ayurveda healing for thousands of years. Its botanical name is Moringa oleifera. And one of the most amazing facts about Moringa is that every part of the tree offers great health benefits, as they are full of antioxidants and nutrients. Here are some amazing benefits of Moringa which I am going to discuss in this video. The first amazing benefit is it's loaded with nutrients. You have many foods which have a single standout nutrient. For instance, carrots have vitamin A, citrus fruits have vitamin C, nuts have vitamin E, but one moringa leaf stick contains good source of iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, and noticeable amount of riboflavin. It means that moringa can contribute in different parts of our health, like better eyesight, skin, and give immunity to our bone health. The second benefit is it is good for skin and hair. Moringa leaves are good source of amino acids, which help in the formation of keratin protein responsible for good, longer, and thicker hair. It has anti-aging properties too. Moringa is full of vitamin A, which helps in supporting skin. The third amazing benefit is super source of plant-based protein. Whether you are a vegetarian or going on a vegan diet or want to cut down meat from your diet, it's not always easy to find plant-based protein. Sure, there are lentils, tempeh, but sometimes you just want a quick, no cook, add into salad, soup or smoothie bowl dishes. So, moringa is the best option. It is best for energy production, muscle repairing, and mood buster. Fourth benefit is it's improve gut health and digestion. It is packed with fibers which regulates your digestion and relieves constipation. It has mild laxative properties. It may help in treating stomach ulcer and other infections as well. Moringa is famous for its high anti-inflammatory properties. Fifth benefit is it reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Moringa seeds have traditionally been used to treat lower blood pressure and also improve heart function. Moringa leaf extracts may help to lower down the cholesterol and improves heart health too. Sixth benefit is it flushes out toxins from our body. Moringa extract helps in the faster elimination of toxins from your body and support your liver in doing. This helps your body for more resistance to toxins, while the antioxidants help in fighting free radicals to keep your system clean. Seventh and the most important benefit of moringa is balances blood sugar. Blood sugar levels can cause mood swings and carving and even lead the development of type 2 diabetes and obesity. It is effective in lowering down lipid and glucose levels and regulating oxidative stress. Postmenopausal women who took a supplement with moringa has showed therapeutic antioxidant properties as well as lower fasting glucose levels. It reduces the weight gain and insulin resistance. Eighth benefit is it supports brain health. Moringa extracts have also been associated dopamine and serotonin, called as happy hormones, and with more research, it could possibly be used to help treat depression. Moringa is rich in vitamin C and E, which reduces oxidative stress. I already discussed many benefits of moringa plant. Now, time to know who should have to avoid this. Moringa might be unsafe for pregnant women or milk feeding mothers to use due to chemicals possibly found in the roots, flowers, and bark of the plant. Some research says that consuming these parts of moringa plant may cause the uterus to contract. Eating large quantities lead to stomach upset, so I am suggesting you to eat in a small dose.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in my next video. Bye bye.